Hello, everyone. Today I'll tell you about the disassembly of the latest Mercedes-Benz steering wheel. Step E: removing airbag. Because we removed the airbag in advance, let's talk about the disassembly method. Remove airbag at one location. Its words are in this position. There is a small hole. Just use a screwdriver from here. Just stick it in from here. Only this hole is used for disassembly. In this case, the airbag is removed. This is the first step. Step R: remove the iron frame. Then the next step, after we took the airbag apart, we can see there are 3 screws, right? With these 3 screws, we need to use one. A tool 40-30. Then we remove the 3 screws. Then remove the 3 screws. There is another step. It's the blacksmith that sees a hole here. We need this for disassembly. Push a small slotted screwdriver at this position. Just push it out, so we can take out the chassis. Step 3: remove rear lid. Okay, then the third step. Let's remove the cover plate at the back. There are 3 screws here. The tool we use is T20. We can take this back cover off. Step 4: remove the trim cover. In the fourth step, we remove these screws. The shell and the cover can be taken out.
The tool we use is T20.
After the screws are removed, then we can see that there is a plug here. Push this plug down. Just pull it out. Then we can take out the trim cover directly. Step 5: remove the key. The fifth step is to remove the button.
We can see that there is a paddle plug here.
Let's pull this plug off first. If you plug it, there's a button here. You can take it out with a gentle click. When the plug is removed, we can remove the key. Step 6: remove the pedal. Let's remove the module and the pedal. First, you can see that there are 2 plugs on this module. If we dismantle it, use a small slotted knife. Press here like this. Gently pull it out and you can finish it. After dismantling, we can take out the module. Next, we can see the plug connecting the pedal. Remove with the T15 screwdriver. So we can take out the pedal. These are all the parts removed from the steering wheel. That's the end of today's explanation.
Friends also need to know more about disassembly of models.
Please let us know in the comments area.